Okay guys, it's finally come, the review of my, oh, wait, let me just grab the cable a bit. Alright, cool. Alright, this is it. Hopefully you can see that, but if you can't, it is the, if you don't know what it is, it's the, uh, sorry, mind blanking again. It's the keyboard it's the Apple numeric wide keyboard. So yeah, and sorry I had a complete mind blank. It's just something that's completely on my mind right now, which is that my camera has an SD card in it, i.e. this one, SanDisk Ultra 8 GB, and there is absolutely nothing on it, yet it has insufficient space. I am absolutely I don't know what to do right now. To be honest, I was supposed to be recording this review with this, but I can't now, obviously, which really kind of pisses me off because it sucks, and it's kind of expensive at the time. Wait a second. Oh yeah, as you can see, hopefully you can see that. Insufficient space on card. That blows. Anyways, into the review. This keyboard is absolutely amazing. I've been using it for the past day, and I really love it. As you can see, hopefully you can see, in there is a USB port, and in there is a USB port. So you've got two USB ports as exchanging for one, which is pretty mad, I reckon. Not to mention, it's got a numeric keypad. If you don't know what that is, on a normal keypad or a wireless one, you'd probably just see this. You probably just see that and the keys. So you wouldn't have all this stuff up here, and you wouldn't have obviously the numerics. So you just have probably four arrow keys, and it'll only go up to F12, and then it'll have that. While this one goes up to F19. So F5, 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hopefully you can see this. So yeah, you can go on your Mac and format them to whatever hotkey you want, which you can use it for opening up, iTunes or something like that, which I find really awesome. Another thing I'm going to actually try and, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend this down a little bit. Hopefully you can see, it does not slide. I'm just going to try and make sure, hopefully you can see this. It's very, whoa, sorry. It doesn't very slide too much. It doesn't very slide too much because it's got these down here and here and everywhere. It's basically rubber. You can use 4 rubber feet. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, I'm gonna bring this back up now. Hi. So hopefully you've seen that. Anyways, it's got 4 rubber feet in the bottom. Not to mention the whole bottom is kind of rubber as well. So that's pretty awesome. It does come with an extension cable, which what I do is I could probably use. I could use it just to reach, because it's not that far away, but I decided that I'm going to bring it all the way around the back of my computer, so you can basically only see one quarter instead of it kind of being dangling off the side. It just goes like that. Which is really good. So I'm really happy. I know Apple do, they get a lot of things right with their products. So I was really happy with this. Yeah, I was pretty happy. Another thing about it is it goes very well with obviously the MacBook Pro itself, and it also goes well with this. This is obviously the Apple Remote, which I did a review on. You can see that review right about here. Sorry, I did an unboxing on it, no review. But I did kind of review it, and I set it up and everything. So go check that out. As I said, annotation on my face. Another thing I'd like to add is I just a quick update again, like I did in my previous video. I do have the Griffin elevator stand coming, so this will actually be higher. So instead of you looking up and you can see behind me and shit, should bleep that out. It's gonna be up a little bit higher, so you kind of almost be looking down at me, but not really. So some of the background stuff won't be there, like up there, all that sort of stuff. Also, if you're wondering about that scarecrow up the top back bit there, that I had since I was a child, and I don't know how I got it or why I got it, but I think my mom got it for me, and yeah, my sister has a pink one. So yeah, that's about it. Really good keyboard. Been using it. I am still kind of getting used to the keys, because as much as it's very alike to the one in the MacBook Pro, it just, because it's longer, I usually center myself. So I think a lot of people do that as well. You basically have your hand set in the middle of the thing, which means that would obviously be wrong. So I'd have to set my hands over to the side, which feels very different because this is obviously longer because it's kind of numeric. So you'd be kind of typing into, like, you know, into the like the keys and all that sort of stuff. Not the keys, but the arrow keys. So that's one thing that I kind of got used to. The delete key, the one underneath the delete key, and the one above it, which is the eject disk, I kind of get annoyed with that, because when I'm typing, I just type. I don't even, and like a lot of people, they don't even think about it, until you make a mistake, which I do a bit more than I used to, but I think within the next few days, I shouldn't have a problem. So yeah, that's about it. Really good keyboard. Like I said, it's obviously carved out of aluminum. It's got the Apple logo on the back. That's no surprise. So yeah, that's about it. And this is a lot easier now because I don't have to kind of, like, okay, this is a problem that I think a lot of people have with the MacBook Pro ones. The MacBook Pro keyboards, they kind of get, like, this sounds kind of disgusting, but they actually get off your, like, the oils in your fingers and stuff. They kind of, like, take that in. So you'd be constantly wiping with the cloth that they give you, which is very nice. I find myself constantly wiping that now. I don't have to worry about it because I believe the material, yeah, it's definitely different from the keyboard to the keyboard on the laptop. So the external keyboard and the laptop keyboards are far different, which is why people who buy iMacs in desktop computers won't have this problem, because they don't have the same feel or the same material in the keys. Yeah. So anyways, this is going on a bit too long. I haven't got much else to say. That's about it. Really good keyboard. Also, people have been asking me why do I get a wired one? Because it comes with the two USB. So basically, if I got the wireless one, it's an extra $20, which doesn't bother me because I bought this, so it was the same price anyways. From 55, where the wireless one's 75, and this remote is 20. So it basically worked out by getting this, and I just like the longer keyboard. I think it fits better. It looks better. And if I ever need the numerics, or as you can see, you probably won't be able to see, but on the right here, if you have a MacBook Pro, you would actually notice that there is only a left control. There is a right control on this one. There's also, as I said, 2 enters, or a return and an enter, and 2 deletes. Okay, scratch that. Anyways, I was gonna say 2 FN buttons, but I was thinking it was on the MacBook Pro. Anyways, as I said, rate, comment, and subscribe. Like this video. It always helps tremendously. Comment if you have any questions down below about the MacBook, or about anything in my previous videos, or now, or anything about my channel. feel free to go ahead and leave a comment, and also subscribe to my channel for all the latest updates on Macs and other stuff. So just a quick recap. I've got this now. Pretty much set. All I need is the elevator stand, which will be coming Thursday or Friday, possibly Monday. It said 4 to 6 days. I bought it on Monday, so we'll see what happens. And that's business days, just to let you know. So if you don't know what a business day is, business is Monday to Friday. Weekends don't count. So at the latest, I'll get it on Monday, which I really don't, because I want to do the unboxing and review over the weekend. And basically, I want to get my whole thing set up really quickly. I'll also be buying the mini display port, or the Thunderbolt to HDMI, so I can connect that to my monitor or TV. So that'll be pretty good. Which means when I'm editing, I've got more real estate to work with, and it'll be easier to edit, basically. So you'll be probably seeing more editing done in my videos, and better editing. So probably more like clicked in, if that makes any sense. So now sometimes the little things like edits and bits are not exactly correct, or they're not, precision. When I have a bigger screen, it'll be easier to pinpoint those little bits and, clear them up. So expect better videos with that. So also in February, I will be getting Logitech speakers and possibly a new monitor. So this will go up on my wall as a TV, and a monitor will come in, and I'd connect it through HDMI. So good thing about that is the monitor is built for that. So it's not like a TV which comes with which has monitor capabilities. It's a monitor, so they specifically designed it for that. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I took this on way too long. Once again, thank you for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe.